It's day 26 of my comfort zone challenge. I've come to realize something that I wasn't expecting. Sometimes growth doesn't feel exciting, it feels quiet. There is no big applause, no instant results, just you showing up again. Just you keeping a promise you made when no one was watching. And that's the part most people skip because it's not loud and it's not dramatic, but it's real. We think transformation is this big explosive moment, but it's usually just a quiet decision made over and over again. So if you are in that phase where nothing feels huge, that's okay. You are not lost. You are not, you're just becoming someone solid, someone consistent. Growth doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers. So keep going.